C Sharp course. We write C Sharp C hash, but we pronounce it C Sharp. C Sharp is an object oriented programming language and it is developed by Microsoft. C Sharp is very much similar to C++ and Java programming. So, in this tutorial, we will cover all these topics. Now, let's see the subtopics of these topics. C Sharp Basic. In this section, we will learn how to apply comments for codes, how to declare and use variable, and how to accept input from users. Data types. In this section, we will see different type of data types and the use of data types and how to do typecasting. We will also see the different type of operators and how to work with operators. Decision making statements. In decision making statements, we will learn if else, if else if, switch, go to statements, and we will see the implementation of all these statements as well. Loops. For loops, we will learn while, for loop, do while, an infinite loop, and nested loop, and we will also see the differences between all these loops. Arrays. Arrays are a user-defined data type where we can store multiple data in a single variable. So here we will learn single and multi-dimensional array, and we will also learn about array class, which is a inbuilt class. Functions. We will see how to do modular programming using functions, and we will also learn about call by value and call by reference parameters and out parameter. Classes and objects. Classes and objects are very much important part of object oriented programming concept. So here we will learn about how to create class and objects, how to create class members, and how to create constructor and destructor inside a class, the uses of this keyword, and how to create static class and constructor. And we will also see the different type of access modifiers. We will see the implementation of properties, and we will also see how to create user defined data type using enum and struct keyword. Inheritance. In this section, we will learn how to create child and parent relationship between classes so that we can reuse code. Polymorphism. In this section, we will learn how to use a single object in multiple form using method overloading, operator overloading, and method overriding. Abstraction. Abstraction is something hide non-essential data from user. So for that, we will learn how to create an abstract class, how to create an interface, how to use base keyword, and the uses of sealed keyword and method hiding. When we do programming, it's very common to get runtime exception. So we will learn the handling of exception, and we will also learn to throw user defined exception. File IO. In this section, we will learn how to handle with files, and files can be a text file. So we will learn how to create and delete file, how to read and write file, and how to update a file. So we will learn all these topics in C Sharp tutorial, and for the practice we will use Visual Studio tool. Thank you.